Good morning, everybody. Myself, Dr. Divakar T. Chunarkar. I am a senior lecturer of Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Mahavidyalay Marg, Naughar Road, Bhayandaris, District Thane. Name of my department is Science and Humanity. Today I explain basic science. In basic science, I explain basic physics. Already in first chapter, I explained basic science is the combination of basic physics and basic chemistry. Today, I explain second unit and second chapter electricity, magnetism, and semiconductor. So, already you have to know electricity is an important role or very important in our daily life. It is used in all kind of gadgets such as electric bulb, tube, electric fan, electric iron, in transportation and communication system. Electricity and its application become possible after the discovery of electric charge. It is noted to be numerous application of electricity have become possible because of the fact that electric current produce magnetic effects. Magnetism or magnetic properties of material are known since olden days. Now, concept of electric charge. Already you have to know charges are two types, positive charge and negative charge. Generally, there are three charges, positive charge, negative charge and neutral. But these two charges, positive charge and negative charge is important because in two charges, if both gets positive, they contain repulsion between them. If both charges are negative, they contain repulsion between them. But if the charges are positive and negative, they get attraction between them. So both same charges, both like charges repel to each other. Both like charges or both same charges, that is positive positive, negative negative. So there is repulsion, but both negative charges and positive charges. For example, both unlike charges, negative and positive, positive and negative, north and south. So in this case, both charges attract to each other, positive and negative, girls and boys, women and men, they attract to each other. So this is the simple example of concept of charge. In our body contains an equal amount of positive and negative charges. Our body contains equal amount of positive and negative charges, it is possible to transfer charge from one body to another body. We will take simple example, wool and glass rod. Wool and glass rod. So when we rub the glass rod with a piece of silk cloth or wool, the rod becomes positive. So on the rod there is excess of positive charges. And on the wool or on the silk there is excess of negative charges. Why it is possible? Because when we have to rub both rod and wool material or silk material with each other to become positive charges on the rod, that is excess of positive charge, and negative charge on the silk cloth or wool cloth. So that is the excess of negative charge. So here is important is the force of attraction or repulsion between two electric charges. This above statement depends on the concept of electric field. Electric charges produce an electric field in surrounding area. Another electric charge is brought in this space. The field acts upon it, giving rise a force on the charge. The charge on the electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, keeping your mind, coulomb. This is the unit of electric charge, 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So this is the important values. These values occurs in your, these values generally ask in your examination. Electric charge or the value of electric charge is our option 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 20 coulomb, and option D, all of them. So our answer is only first A. The charge of electric coulomb is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So this is the concept of electric charge. Here is importance is there is two type of charges, generally positive and negative. And if both charges are like charges or same charges, say they got repulsion. If in both charges are unlike charges, that is not same charges, that is positive and negative, they got attraction. So in this case, the conversion of electric charges, electric charge can neither be created nor be destroyed. Electric charge can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can only transfer from one body to another body. Electric charge plays a very important role in atomic structure in nucleus. Already we know that the atom consists of three types particles, namely electrons, proton, and neutron. So these particles are distinguished from each other on the basis of neutral nature of electric charges. Electron is negatively charged, proton is positive charged, and neutron is electrically neutral particles. So when we study the behavior of charges at rest, is called electrostatic charges. When the charges are in motion, they give rise to magnetic effect as well as this behavior of charge is called electromagnetic. So now Coulomb's inverse law or Coulomb's inverse square law. This is very important points of this chapter. because generally numerical problem must be asked in your examination. So already we have to know both charges, positive and negative. So I state or I define this Coulomb inverse law. It states that, or Coulomb inverse square states that the force of attraction or repulsion between two electric charges is directly proportional to the product of two charges and inversely proportional square of distance between them. Force of attraction in both are negative charges or unlike charges. For example, positive and negative. So positive is Q1 and negative is Q2. So these both charges which are attract to each other. So at that time, that is the force of attraction. F. This force of attraction is directly proportional to the Q1 and Q2. It means that this force of attraction F is directly proportional to the product of two charges Q1 and Q2 and inversely proportional to their square distance. So F proportional to Q1 Q2 and F proportional to 1 upon d square. This is the inversely proportional. So we can write F equal to Q1 Q2 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 k r square. So this is our equation. Force of attraction Q1 Q2 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 k r square. Here is F is the force of attraction, Q1 Q2 is the two electric charges and D is the distance between two charges. Epsilon is the permittivity of the medium. Epsilon 0 is the permittivity of the free space. The value of epsilon 0 we have to given here 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 c square upon n m square. C square means Coulomb square upon Newton meter square and K is dielectric constant. Then electric field. Electric field, here this is the simple definition of electric field. It is defined as the space around the charge. Space around the charge in which electric effect in case of attraction or repulsion due to the charge can be observed is called electric field. What is meant by electric field or what is the definition of electric field? Electric field is defined as the space around the charge in which electric effect in case of attraction or repulsion due to the charge can be observed is called electric field. And this is the mathematical equation of electric field, capital E equal to F upon Q. The CGS unit of electric field is Dyn per sat coulomb. Dyn per sat coulomb, this is the unit, this is the CGS unit of electric field. And numerical for this mathematical equation is equal to F upon Q. So here is E be the electric field, Q be the electric charge and F be the force of attraction. Then significance of electric field. This electric field depends on the strength of the charge. So strength is important, depends on the strength of the charge. Electric field depends on the medium in which the charge is placed. So medium is important. Electric field is not same at all point inside the electric field. And electric field is maximum near the charge and goes on decreasing with the distance away from the charge. Is maximum near the charge and goes on decreasing with distance away from the charge. Electric field intensity. So this electric field intensity and electric field nearly same, definition is slightly different. So electric field intensity is defined as the force per unit positive charge at that point is called electric intensity. The electric field intensity is defined as the force per unit positive charge at that point is called electric intensity. Here is the electric field, F be the force of attraction and Q0 is the positive electric charge. Keep in your mind. So again I revise this equation equal to F upon Q0. Strength of the charge is more. In case of electric field intensity, strength of the charge is more, electric field is more. So if charge, that electric charge is more is electric field. And here is the electric field intensity, F is the force of attraction, and Q0 is the positive electric charge. So here electric field associated with the position. Hence, the value of electric field at a point in space due to the same given charges or group. So this charge of group or given charge is fixed. This electric field depends on the charges producing if and the distance of the point where it is measured. It is easy to determine the electric force. It is very easy to determine the electric force, and therefore we can conclude the definition of electric field intensity. The electric field intensity is defined as the force per unit positive charge at that point is called electric field intensity. And the mathematical equation of electric intensity E equal to F upon Q0. Here is F is the force of attraction, E is the electric field intensity, and Q0 is the positive electric charge. In this case, electric field intensity, the electric charge increases to increase the electric field, or if more is electric field, more is electric charge. And this electric field depends on the strength, depends on the medium, and depends on the, it is not same at all points. This electric field is not same at all points, and this electric field is maximum near the charge and goes on decreasing with the distance away from the charge. So student, I stop here now. Thank you very much.